If you're a health and medtech startup and using AI as part of your product, then this video might be for you. AI being very critical part of the modern era of health and life sciences products and services is an amazing journey that we went through far. But it is also important to understand its criticality and able to safely and securely design it. So the AI, while you're designing it, or the AI system that you have to consider the following factors as part of the risk. Is my AI vulnerable for any cybersecurity attacks? Is my AI have the human involvement in place? Meaning, do we have a human in the loop or on the loop, or do we have an human authoritarian to look over if any adverse effects of that AI can happen? Do I have a disaster and recovery plan if any adverse effects of an AI can impact patient's life? What kind of high quality data are we using for the AI? Can there be a situations where AI can manipulate the data or delete the data or can alter the results? How much of the data trials and diversification of the data that we need to use to make sure these adverse events can reduce to the maximum extent? These are some of the points you might need to consider if you are part of the AI tool or you have an AI tool as part of your medtech or health startup.